Hi, so now we want to look at another paper 1 question from thermal properties of metal. So this question comes from 2012 paper 1 question 15. So let's read the question together. A fixed mass of gas is trapped in a metal cylinder by a movable piston. So the piston moves outward slowly. The volume of the gas increases, but the internal energy is unchanged. So what happens to the pressure and to the temperature of the gas? So if you look at this question, you know that there are two very important components. The first is that the gas volume has increased because the piston moves out slowly. The second one is that the internal energy is unchanged. So let's look at the second one first. What is internal energy? So internal energy, as we know it, refers to the sum of the kinetic energy of the molecules as well as the potential energy. Now we know that these two are unchanged. The internal energy is unchanged. So that means that both the kinetic energy and the potential energy are both unchanged. So what does this mean? This means that if the kinetic energy is unchanged, we know that kinetic energy is related directly to the temperature. So there is actually no change in temperature. And we also know that potential energy is related to state. So if potential energy is not changed, that means there's no change of state. So basically the gas remains as a gas. So let's look at the options that are given. So if it is unchanged, and we only have an option for temperature on the second column, that means that the option B and C are the only possible answers. Now let's look at the second part, which is the volume of gas increase when the piston is moved out. So as we know that when the piston is moved out, alright, the volume increases. When the volume increases, the mass of the mass of the gas is the same. So that means that the number of molecules that is locked within the piston itself is the same. So the number of molecules per unit volume now is lesser because the molecules has a larger volume to fill up. So because of that, the rate of collision of the molecules with the wall will also decrease, and hence the pressure of the gas inside the piston reduces. So looking at this and looking at the options given, the answer will have to be B. So that's the answer for question on this question. Thank you.